Hi guys, good evening. This frame was 24-year-old now. Souvenir I bought in Bermuda when I was on board the MS Nordic Empress of Royal Caribbean, and we did a 4 days cruise. Our port before was in New York, in Manhattan, New York. So I happened to roam around in Manhattan. Then we went to Bermuda, in Dockyard, and in Hamilton. I had lots of fun, lots of activities there. It was there that I used to attend the party at the yacht village. Uh, while passing, while jogging, we did fishing. First time I went to the beach to fish, riding a bicycle, and I used to shop at Birmingham. The first time I bought there was this one, and this one. I also went to Army Navy for $1, uh, like bags, like dress, and it was there also. I used to go to the supermarket, and we went to Flanagan Disco. I enjoy a lot when we were in Bermuda. Then we came back to New York for disembarkation. Then in New York, I will show you my videos. I will show you my videos uh, uh, with my souvenirs, guys. We were in Manhattan, in Rockefeller's building, in Broadway, in the Pentagon. Yes, I've got lots of souvenir in New York, like in Macy's. I bought the Levi's denim. Then my first and last piano, the Casio. I bought it. I sold it. Then it was on sale. Then we went to McDo. I used to have this Statue of Liberty. We passed by in there, and we went to I don't know, Intrepid. We toured in Intrepid. I got lots of pictures in there. It is a museum uh, with the remnants of what you call one, aircraft, or from the sea, big ship like that. So, okay guys, I love driving ham. I love going in Bermuda before. Yun. That's all guys. My 3 minute videos.